Okay, I promised a lot of people that I would not make this video, but y'all are my besties, and I gotta tell y'all something. I mean, I know my besties will keep this a secret. I mean, I think this account, I have like 700,000 besties, but like, we're gonna keep this to ourselves, okay? You guys promise? Okay, I trust you. Y'all know that I love bamboo PJs. I love Little Sleepies, but recently with Little Sleepies, it's really tough to get prints because I feel like things are always out of stock. I found a new brand. This is not sponsored. I bought these myself and I didn't say anything because I wanted to get them in and try them first. And I gotta show you guys. I actually have a little model today. Grayson's right here. Hello, handsome. He is wearing the Nemo PJs from, I want to say Charming Charlie, but I think it's Project Charlie Kids. And like, look how cute they are. I have that same print in a 2-piece set for Kennedy, and I will say they are very good quality, and the prints are adorable. We love bamboo. However, bamboo can be pretty pricey. And at the end of the day, they're, children's PJs. I mean, they do last quite a while. I mean, Kennedy in regular clothes, she's anywhere from like, yes, honey, 18 to 24 months or a 2T. And in her bamboo PJs, she's still wearing size 6 to 12. So she's been wearing the same pajamas, like the same like ones that I got last summer. She still fits into them now and still wears them. So that's why I personally like the bamboo. And they're adorable and they're comfortable and they're perfect just because we live in the Northeast. So we have the extreme cold and we have the extreme hot summers. So I just love the bamboo. But anyway, I digress. So this brand, I keep wanting to say Charming Charlie's. It's Project Charlie Kids, and all of the pajamas have this, it says Little Snuggles is the brand. I think that's just the manufacturer. Like, it's probably just one of those, like, bulk, what's the word I'm looking for? Not retailers. I don't know. Anyway, this is a onesie that I got for Grayson. It's like a little, yes, honey. It's a 1-piece, like with shorts. I got it in size 3 to 6, but look how cute this is. It's got all of your favorite Disney characters, including Stitch, and it feels just like all of those other bamboo brands that we buy. And what I will say too is that this brand, if you go on their website, they have so many cute things to choose from. Like, again, he's wearing the Nemo ones. And here's the thing. Here's the secret, okay? They do pre-orders on, like, all of their prints, right? And if you do the pre-order, they will always give you a code for 40% off. So, like, it comes out to about, like, $21 per pair of PJs versus all the other bamboo pajamas. They're, almost $40. So, again, still a little bit pricey for a pair of pajamas, but it's half the price. When it all boils down. And the prints are so cute. And because it's a pre-order, you don't have to be right on the website when it launches. You know what I mean? So it's not as stressful, okay? And yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys because I really like these. And they have, like, pre-orders right now for, I think it's, like, Winnie the Pooh for, like, Halloween time. And I think they said it ships in September. Yes, honey. So, anyway, that's just my tip of the day. But don't go telling a bunch of people. Don't go telling a bunch of people, okay? This is going to be our secret. Okay, because if you guys go and tell people, then, like, I won't be able to share things with y'all in the future when I find them out. And if you already knew about this brand, then just disregard this whole thing. I just think that it's so cool. And yeah. So, anyway. Isn't this so cute? Yeah, you are so handsome. You took your bib off. Look at you. Look how cute. And yeah, so this is the Nemo one. Look how cute this is. All right, that is all. I've got laundry to do, and we also have Kennedy's swim lessons later today, so I gotta get ready for that because Kennedy's currently napping. So I will talk to you guys later. Happy Friday.